to another episode of Teens in the Wild. Now we're going to look at a familiar species called JELBEEY. They mostly stay indoors, but there's two types of JELBEEY. There's the Jack and the Jared. We're about to go and see them. Let's move on. We're just about to see one of the species called the Jared. Let's just come in here, please. This is a Jared. Look how clean he is. Let's admire his hair that he's somehow put to head. Never mind. And then we got how beautiful his tie is. You know, it's got little dead marks, but that's from tripping over or something.
You seem to be sweating a bit there.
He's on to us, Johnny. Let's go!
We're just about to go and see the so-called Jack of the JELBEEY species. Oh, looks like he's just about to wake up. Come on, Johnny.
That's better.
Wait, I'm not Johnny. You're Johnny.
Sorry, I'm not very good with words or names.
Oh, shut up! Oh, wow.
See, look how messed up the Jack of the JELBEEY species
I'll
looks
get back
like.
to you tomorrow.
He's got what we've seen here is a Saints Row the Third game. He's got a lot of looting and drugs, which may apply to this type of species, JELBEEY. He had some underpants on his head, which means he must have been partying a lot yesterday. And now he's picking his nose, which is oddly funny, but at the same time, I'm sorry, people. I am kind of laughing because you know the species is fun. The species is funny as well as fascinating, because the Jared of the species is in there getting changed for school.
Don't look at me!
Sorry. Stop picking your ear. That's just gross. Right, here we have the he seems to be very drunk.
What are you saying to me? Where's punk?
Looks like we'll have to give a little bit of a 1 minute protocol for the Jack. No, he's eating sweets.
Breakfast.
You do realise that's bad for you.
You do realise you're in my house, punk?
He's on to us, Johnny!
Alright, now we're going to see how the JELBEEY species, also known as Jared and Jack, we're about to learn how Jared gets his stuff in the morning.
Well, it looks like he's got a taser, a gun, a phone, some headphones, and some links. Fine.
Fascinating. Here is the Jared, he's just getting ready. Nice taser there. Now we're going to see the species of the JELBEEY, how Jack gets ready for school. See, we have some Jaffa cakes, and some more Jaffa cakes, a toilet roll, and his so-called wife, Saints Row the Third. Oh, here he is now. Jim, don't get scared. You might scare the poor animal.
I'm sorry, Johnny.
What are you guys doing in my house?
He's on to us, Johnny!
No, don't run. Any unexpected movement might scare the animal.
Oh, screw this.
No, Johnny, no.
I nearly hit my foot, you doofbag.
No, Johnny. You have to take this as a serious process. Don't do that again.
Move out of my way.
See, see, Johnny, are you running? You running?
Yes, I'm rolling.
No, don't take that gun. Johnny, I can't trust you with a gun. So look, you've got the toilet paper. This is how he gets ready for school. That is an odd one. Behind the scenes footage, this is where how the species called the JELBEEY has the toilets. Well, obviously Jack. As you can see, he leaves open the door, and oh, having a crap.
How is that even
stands-
possible?
He stands up. He stands up, having a crap. That is kind of disturbing.
How is that possible when he's wearing trousers?
I don't know. There's
Got a hole there, you know.
Oh.
What are you doing in my house?
let's go to work. Oh wait, what? Now we're going to see how. Oh wait, what was I supposed to say? What was this? Behind the scenes footage. This is how Jack goes to the toilet in the morning. He leaves the door.
What are you doing?
I told him to get out of my house! Throw Jim, go!
Wait, I got the gun round the wrong way. Goodbye, Jeff Kickworld.
No! Well, that's the end of the Jared. Oh no, we still have Jared.
No.
Oh, screw this, I quit.
No, just.
No,
Do we have to do a bit again, Jack? Here is Jack!
Ah, a bulletproof vest. Good for special charms or something.
What, you haven't got a bulletproof mask.
Oh.
Has anyone
Could give you
thought to tell you
sunglasses.
that you held the gun round the wrong way when you first shot?
Oh god, he's gonna lay on me!
Oh
Good.
my god! I quit.
Good work, Jerry. You managed to make him. You managed to beat the JELBEEY or something like that.
I'm going home! Goodbye, cruel world!